Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to transfer money from crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025. A simple and secure process to move your funds between platforms. Step 1. Get your Coinbase wallet address. 1. Open Coinbase and go to Assets. 2. Select the crypto you want to receive. 3. Tap Receive, then copy your wallet address. Step 2. Withdraw from crypto.com. 1. Open crypto.com and go to Wallets. 2. Choose the crypto you want to send. 3. Tap Withdraw, External Wallet, Add Wallet Address. 4. Paste the Coinbase wallet address and confirm. 5. Enter the amount and review transaction details. 6. Complete 2FA verification and submit. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. Transfers may take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once completed, check your Coinbase balance to confirm receipt. That's it. Now your funds are successfully moved. If you found this guide helpful, like and subscribe for more crypto tips.